Hey, my friend, would you like to be a little more profitable? If that sounds like you, listen up and let's dive in. Okay, first, did you know that customer-centric organizations, my friends, are 60% more profitable? Hey, if you're struggling with profitability, then here's a tip that you have to start today. To truly put customers at the heart of your organization, try the surprise and delight strategy. Now, this is a strategy, no matter how big or how small your organization is, this can really work some magic. And you can stay on top of it in your daily huddles by reminding your entire team to do it. So let me share with you how it works. First of all, this works really well when you make it a part of your company culture to surprise and delight consistently. And so every week, every employee on your team, whether you have 5 people or 5,000 people, everybody on your team has a responsibility to do a small gesture for either a client or your team, depending on how big or small your organization is. And the gestures can be tiny, so they can be a gift, a small gift. They could be a note, a handwritten note, a card, something special. This is about surprising and delighting. It is the small gestures, my friends, that make the biggest impact on customer loyalty and employee satisfaction. The little things mean a lot. It doesn't have to cost you a lot of money to make someone feel special.